Hey guys, Mark and Twan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Usborne Books business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to share with you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you an exact, simple, three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. And this way, you could get highly qualified and targeted leads to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the lifestyle and freedom that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who have the success that you want, looking at what they've done, and creating similar content going after the same keywords. And you're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to speed up the process. This tool allows you to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases and make sure your title goes after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to make similar 3 to 5 minute content going after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. So you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. And in this case, you're looking for like-minded network marketers. Once you find them, you want to give them a nice, enticing first message. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. Definitely seems like we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I would love to connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? Starting off with a first message like this will have you start to build your audience. And as you build your audience, you want to engage with that audience on your timeline. You could do this by asking a question, a fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes, post engaging pictures, and post blog posts. You want to make 5 to 10 of these new connections each day. Robert Kiyosaki and Tony Robbins fan pages are good places to start. You want to be consistent in these groups, and people will get to know you from your comments. Also, comment on the posts of others. The mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. You don't want to be the person in that group trying to pitch people. That's because you want to be posting curiosity and not resistance. That's 90% personal, 10% about your business. That 10% about your business, you want to be posting what the results of your team are and what your own results are. You don't want to be blasting the company logo at all. 90% personal should be pictures of you hanging out at the beach, hanging out with friends, some pictures of food, inspirational quotes, and those kind of things. Those are all good personal posts. A good curiosity post is going to have somebody reach out to you about your business anyway, or reach out to you for more information. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk, and I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. And I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at them all, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.